Hello guys, this is Jaideep from AndroLuvit and today I'm going to be unboxing the new Coolpad Mega 5. So let's get into it. So let's quickly get to the unboxing of the phone. On the top of the box you find the phone itself, so let's just keep it aside for the moment. So the phone comes with an 18:9 full screen HD plus display with SC9850K quad core processor clocked at 1.3 GHz. It has 2 GB of RAM and 60 GB of storage, which can be expanded up to 128 GB. The phone has a removable back panel. That means you need to insert the battery. So for that you get the big battery, and that means you get 2 SIM slots in which you can insert 2 4G SIMs and 1 dedicated micro SD slot. You get a normal USB cable and its adapter of 5 volts in the box itself. So let's quickly get to the phone and the battery. So the phone lacks a bit at battery as it has only 2500 mAh. Talking about the camera of the mobile, it has 8 plus 0.3 megapixels of rear camera. That does not give that clear photos as expected, but the front camera is a 5 megapixel shooter that gives a pretty good photos, and that is justiciable. Talking about the design of the phone, on the back it looks a bit like Pixel containing a fingerprint scanner. That looks quite beautiful, and the curved edges of the mobile gives a premium in-hand feel. So I have inserted the battery and let's quickly switch on the mobile. It also has some sensors like proximity sensor, light sensor and accelerometer. It comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. The phone comes in 3 colors: gold black, silver middle frame and white frame. The phone has 5.47 inches of screen with full metal body design. This smartphone succeeds the Coolpad Mega 4A that was launched back in April this year as yet another offline exclusive smartphone. The phone has variable apertures, that is f.95 to f16. The variable virtual degree that gives you perfect virtual effect and make the photo rich in stereoscopic feeling. Nowadays everyone wants to have a fingerprint scanner, and so we get in this mobile. So let's see how fast it is. So I've inserted my fingerprint and let's see how fast it opens. So the fingerprint scanner is quite fast. You can see yourself, like it is justiciable in this price range as you cannot expect much more. Yes, it is quite fast. So let us check the face unlock feature of the mobile. The face unlock feature is software inbuilt and it is also very fast. Yes, as you can see now. So the phone has a very crisp and clear display. It means that you can enjoy playing games, watching movies on this phone. So if you want a beautiful phone with a designer display, then it can be your next mobile phone. So the phone ensures that you can run hardcore games like PUBG. So we also checked that it was able to run that game, but it lagged a bit because of the Spectrum SC9850 that is not that fast. But PUBG's successor, that is PUBG Lite, can be surely run on this mobile with ease and smoothness. If you want to buy a designer phone and you do not play much hardcore games, then this can be your future mobile phone. You can buy the phone from Amazon. You're getting it for 7,300. I'll be providing the link in the description down below. And for more such content, subscribe to AndroLuvit. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below your suggestions about the phone.